Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a video on iMovie. You need an Apple computer. So first, you go to iMovie, and it looks like this. And then you click Create New, and then you click Movie. So I usually hook it up to like my iMessage, but I don't know how to do that. So I just sent a video to my mail. So you have to download the video, which I've done several times, but I don't know where to go to get them out. So you're going to have to watch me do it again. So you wait for it to download. Don't know how long it's going to take. Sorry about it. I've already downloaded them like 4 times. I don't understand. Oh, there we go. Okay. So then when they're up here, you drag the movie right here. Perfect. I'll show you it. So there's volume on this. This is me talking. And then I want to take it off because I want to add music to it. So I go like that. Then I go back. And then I'm going to go to YouTube. And this was just, oh. This was just on my thing, so whatever. It's a really good song. And then you copy this, the link, and then I go to free converter online. And then I click this, because I'm using a link. Then I put the link in there. And then I want it to come out as an MP3. So you click convert. Don't know how long this is going to take you. Hopefully not that long, but oh, super speedy. And then you click download, and it goes up to here again. And then we have to wait for it to load. Glad you guys can see me acting all awkward right now. Eight seconds remaining. Okay, awesome. Then you take this and you put it in the video. Now I'm going to show you how to. So, say you want like part of the music that's like not the intro. You have to drag it. Sorry, I know it's like off. Yes. Then you put it at the beginning. Okay, then I don't want it this long either, so I'm gonna go scroll till I find, there it is. Then you go like this, and then you pull it back until you see where you want to stop. Oh man, this song must be so long. I should have not picked this one, whatever. Holy crap, come on! Okay, now it's going really, okay, there we go. Good, so that's it. And say you wanted it to like fade in. You go like this. Oh, sorry, this is really hard because this thing is right here. There. So you take this and you pull it in. And then say you want to like fade out when you're done. I gotta pull this up. Okay, then you go to transitions. I really want the video to like spin in. Yep. So I'm gonna do that. There's a little transition. And then say I want it to fade to black. Then you go like that. Say you wanted to add a title. And there's like different fonts you can do. Really, you just mess around with it. Then you go up here. Dog. And you can like edit this stuff. Ooh, good. So then, once you're all finished, you can watch it. Ooh, watch it. Oh, 'cause you need it. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you do it. And you can like drag more videos into it, and then you can like have the music fade out into another song. You can add more songs. It's really just about like playing around. Yeah. So, thank you. Amazing.